Everyone, a quick video on how to change the windscreen wiper on this a Mazda 2. So the same principles apply on a lot of cars, so make sure obviously when you get the replacement you check. Don't worry, I'll pick that up later on the litter. That is the same size, so you got the 24 inches there for this one. So all you do, let me put that to one side, lift that up, and then on here got the there. All you do is just on this one, just push it side a bit and pull it, push down, work it side down. There you go, and then pop it out. Voila! Then you get your replacement, and make sure obviously it's got the same sort of clip on there. A lot of these come with different clips. All you have to do is just push it from this side and it'll pop out, and you just put in the relevant one. So this one's got the hook lip for this, as you can see. So all you do, so it's a little bit more difficult because I'm videoing and doing this. All you do, you just put that in like so. Pick and there you are. So as you can see, I'm just sliding. There you go. So I'm just sliding the piece of plastic in. There you go. So I pushed it in and it's clicked and it's fixed in place, and that's it. That's all there is to it. Gently down. Voila. Done. Hope that helped everyone. Like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.